ஊர் சமையலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
Hello everyone, today we are not going to watch a cooking video. It's a casual video. We're going to eat outside in Chick-fil-A. The time is 7:30 and we are almost at Chick-fil-A. We really like Chick-fil-A. And we are almost there. We are so excited, and this is the first day of summer break. Hey, we're here. We're going to find a parking lot to put our car. So I think we found a parking here. Yay, we found a parking here. It's so excited to go inside. It is so fun because there's even a playground here. Here's my sister taking off her shoes to go play in the playground. There's me. It's super fun in the playground. We come to this playground to play every single time. It's super fun. So we spend some time in this playground, and this is a good evening. So I think there's even a toddler area to play with like puzzles and ball games. My daddy is ordering for food. I really like a chicken burger and ice cream. Yay, our food is here. We got fries, 2 burgers, juices, and chicken tenders. I'm opening my drink. Yay! I'm going to drink my drink, and my sister is eating fries. Hi! And I'm getting the chicken burger. Dessert time! My daddy ordered dessert. So, I love vanilla ice cream. It is so good. And my sister really likes ice cream. This is my daddy and mommy. Bye!
ஊர் சமையலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.